Hello guys. In this video we are going to make a polarity checker, like you've seen in the video. If you are new here, do subscribe. So let's get started. Copper wire for the pointing edge. Alligator clip. Red and green LED. 1K resistors. An old electric tester body. Now follow the steps in the video. Solder the LED like this. One end to the positive of the negative of other. Checking the LED. Now set the resistors. You can use 3K instead of 1K. I had some 1K resistor, that's I'm using it. Now connect the resistors to negative end of LED. Now connect the copper wire to the positive side of LED. Now take a wire and connect it to the other end of the resistor. Now let's put them into the tester. To insert easily, do it like this. Be sure that the copper wire touches the end of the tester. Now take the alligator clip and connect the other end of the wire to it. Now it's done. Now let's check it. How it works. Connect the alligator clip to the terminal which we want to find, and tap the tester in the other side of the object which we want to find the polarity. If it blinks red, the alligator clip is connected to the positive side, and if it is green, it is a negative. Through this polarity checker you can check the polarity of any DC circuits or batteries. Don't check it in the high voltage areas and high power supply. If you like the video, do subscribe and give a like. See you soon with other video. Thanks for watching.